HSC ইংরেজি দ্বিতীয় পত্র থেকে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন Write an application to the chairman of your union Porishad requesting him to issue you an online birth certificate. 10 December 2023. The chairman, Bharti Union Porishad, Goronodi, Borishal. Subject: Application for issuing an online birth certificate. Dear sir, with due respect, I, the undersigned, would like to inform you that I am an inhabitant of your union. I was born on 16 December 2005 in the village Rajapur under the Union Parishad. When I was born, my name was registered in your office. My birth registration number is 145/2005. In our country, birth certificate has been made compulsory for various aspects. Now, I need my birth certificate online, and so far as I know that your staffs are skilled enough to issue online birth certificate, I therefore hope that you would be considerate enough to issue me an online birth certificate and oblige me thereby. Yours faithfully, Khurshid Alam. Email khurshid216@gmail.com. সকলকে ধন্যবাদ এত সুন্দর অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটি দেখার জন্য। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।